A lot of times you'll get data that's been consolidated into one column, like first name, last name. For personalization, you might want those to be in separate columns, so we'll split the data. In this case, we're going to split sales rep first name and last names. Select the sales rep column, then go to Home, Transform, Split Column. Choose the By Delimiter option. Next, use the default Each Occurrence of the Delimiter option and press OK. Power Query splits the sales rep names into two different columns named Sales Rep 1 and Sales Rep 2. Those don't make any sense, so rename them Sales Rep First, Sales Rep Last. Press Close and load back to Excel to see the results. Coming up, we'll continue working with columns and show you how to create a column from an example.